Hellos, welcome to the first of the quickies. In this quickie, we will extract entities from a web page and do some entity counts. Basically, we want to process a web page like this one, extract the entities and also group the entities like this. In this quickie, we will process an online USA Today article. We will do the processing in 3 steps. First, we strip out HTML from the web page and extract the text. We will use a Python library for this task. Second, we put the extracted text into a space doc and then extract the entities. At this point, we have the list of entities. Then we count the entity types with a Python counter object. So, let's get started. Web pages are usually in HTML format and contains not only text but some media, such as videos or images and HTML markup as well. Web browsers know how to display HTML. This web page indeed looks like this as a plain text. As a result, we need to extract the human readable text from the web page. There are several Python libraries for this task, and Beautiful Soup is a very popular one. So for the first step, on the lines 1 and 2, we import Beautiful Soup and requests. We use soup for stripping the HTML, requests for fetching the URL into our Python program. Next, on the line 5, we define a method URL to text, which inputs an URL string and outputs the web page body. Line 6 fetches the URL, line 8 creates a soup object from the URL we fetched. On lines 9, 10 and 11, we extract the parts of the web page that potentially carry the article body. Okay, this is how the extracted text looks like. Now we extracted the article body, it's time to load our spacer model and create a doc object from the article body. We list the article's entities with ends property of doc. We can also print the entities with their types. We iterate over the entities in line 5, print the entity text and label. Each entity is of type span and label property of spans carry the entity type information. Iteration results look like this. Looking at the entities, I see Monday night as dates, person names such as Patrick Groups, several location names such as the city of Winston-Salem and North Carolina. Finally, we can make a small statistic of the entity types that occurs in this article. We import counter from collections. Counter is a dictionary type where values are positive integers, so objects of this class are dictionaries which are designed to hold counts. On the line 2, we create a list of entity types. On the next line, we create a counter object from this list. You can construct counter objects from iterables such as lists and strings. Counter objects know how to deal with the rest. So let's print the counts. The most frequent entity type is GPA, which means a country, city, or state. The second one is person, whereas the third most frequent entity label is org, meaning an organization. This is quite expected because it's a new article. Also a quick tip, you can ask Spacer about label meanings. Just make a Spacer.explain like this. So, how can you use this information? We will make use of entity counts in an oncoming video of topic modeling. If you want to have this small Python script as a whole, I left a GitHub link below. Other than that, that's it. You came, you watched, you learned your brand new skill. I hope you enjoyed this quickie because I did. If you liked the video, there is more of it. Let's move on and play with bit more concepts. Click the play button and see you at the next quickie. Bye bye.